Hello, my name is Yunki Cho, and I will be talking about the DAO attack from my cyber chat. To give some background on Ethereum, for those who do not know of Ethereum, the Ethereum blockchain allows people to exchange tokens of values called Ether, the second most popular cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. Ethereum also allows people to write and put so-called smart contracts on the network, which is basically a code often interacting with Ether, and people can then run those smart contracts from the network to interact with each other and the code itself. And using these smart contracts, people came up with the idea of DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, to create an organization without the need for documents and people in governing. Instead, it is represented by rules encoded as a computer program, the smart contract, that is transparent, controlled by the organization members, and not influenced by a central government. Also, DAO allows for direct, decentralized governance and decision making using a voting system among the members. The DAOs work in the following steps. First, smart contracts to run the organization are put on the network. Second, the initial funding period starts when people add funds to the DAO and in return get a token that represents ownership of the DAO. Lastly, the DAO begins to operate. People can make proposals to the DAO on how to spend the money in the DAO, and members who bought in the funding period can vote to approve or deny these proposals. And the DAO I'm talking about in particular in today's cyber talk is called the DAO. It's a name of the particular DAO, which launched on April 30th, 2016, with a 28-day funding period. The DAO managed to raise over $150 million from more than 11,000 members, which was the largest crowdfunding in history. However, there were some vulnerabilities to the DAO's code, one being a recursive call bug. The DAO had a function called split DAO, which allowed token holders to split their share from the DAO to a new decentralized autonomous organization. However, the function updated the user balance at the end of the function, which meant that if this function was called recursively before reaching the end of the function, the user could call splitDAO function without updating the user's balance. The creators tried to fix this issue, but an attacker exploited this vulnerability before them and drained more than 3.6 million Ether into a separate DAO called child DAO in this situation by calling the function split DAO recursively, which was about one third of the total fund of the DAO. This hack had a huge impact on the Ethereum network. First, it caused huge financial losses for investors and greatly diminished confidence in decentralized autonomous organizations in general. Second, it dropped Ether's price significantly as there were concerns about the security of smart contracts and their investments in the network. Third, it caused the Ethereum network to split. Some decided to perform a hard fork, which is a change in the blockchain, in order to reverse the transaction associated with the hack, while some decided to stay with the old, resulting in Ethereum and Ethereum Classic being separated. Fourth, it emphasized the importance of better security practices in the cryptocurrency and blockchain community.